Hi everyone, my name is Elena. I'm the founder and CEO of Kick Consulting, and today I will show you how you can plan and analyze the workload of your team in Monday.com. Okay, so over here we have a dashboard. So the best way to see information in Monday is through dashboards and analyze it. So here we have a work planning dashboard. This has probably my most four favorite widgets. And where this information is coming from is an effort column. So some of our clients use the effort or the estimated time. So I'll show you, here is a project alpha. And on each project or each board that we have this either plan, effort, or estimated time. And yes, granted, it is an estimation. And you put in the time that you think it will take you to do a certain task, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Then you utilize several boards. Obviously, you could have a board per project, you could have one board for multiple projects, but nevertheless, what you do is you connect them to a dashboard, an actual dashboard, not a dashboard within a board. See, this one has 9 boards. You connect them all, and then you simply need to go through settings to customize it, to make sure the time allocated is correct and the dates that show up are the dates that you want. So how do we read a workload dashboard? Because at the moment it just shows lots of circles and percentages and colors. So the one on the left shows us what is the estimated time. So what do we think our staff will have on their plate these coming weeks? And this one on the right shows what is the actual time. So this, we use time tracking, and the time tracking column summarizes these numbers for us. So we can see that we assumed that there won't be overcapacity. There will be hopefully at full capacity. However, what we see here is it actually taking them twice as long than we expected. So where is the issue? Is it our staff is not doing their jobs as fast, or is it our estimations are off? So to help that, we've created more widgets. So over here, you will see there are widgets. This widget summarizes the number of tasks they have on their plate. So we use an assumption of everyone should have about 5 to 10 tasks. So you put that in here and you can see that they had a normal amount of tasks. So that means, and you can see that last week they still haven't finished some of the work. So that means that really it's them who are not completing the tasks as efficiently as possible. So that's where you really need to have a think. Do we need to increase team development and get them upskilled a bit better? Or is it something we really need to look at the complexity of the tasks? Now, for the planning purposes, if you need to reschedule any tasks, it's very simple. You simply open them up and you can drag something to a different week, as you can see, that then pushed it out. That's the best way we can analyze through Workload widget. We'll also do analysis on completed tasks that allows us to see what has been or hasn't been done, as well as open tasks for the upcoming week. Here it is. That's all from me today on the Workload widget. And stay tuned for more scoop from Monday experts.